If you have Tecno Pova 6 Pro smartphone and you want to take a long screenshot, or you want to learn multiple ways by which you can click a screenshot in this smartphone, then this is the video for you. So the first way is to use your 3 fingers and swipe to the bottom side. That's how you can click a screenshot. You can also use your power button and volume down button, press these buttons at the same time. That's how also you can click a screenshot. Now if you want to click a long screenshot, for example of a chat or of an article, you can also do that. Simply come to a long screenshot area, click a normal screenshot, and there you will see the option of scroll. Now keep on scrolling to adjust the length of your screenshot and then click on done. You can also edit your screenshot, you can write anything, you can add any text and then click on the save button. So that's how you can click a screenshot and long screenshot as well in Tecno Pova 6 Pro smartphone.